dear friends, today is the reason why we came to the sunny city called Barcelona. We came here to see the legend of the music, we came here to see the master of the rock guitar. His name is Jason Jeans. If you've never been to his performance, you've never been to Barcelona. Stay with us to know why. Why is the case, why is the reason to come here and not all those beautiful beaches, all these parties, etc. Only Jason can make this experience unforgettable.
Everybody was ripping and singing. I don't know.
Dear friends, in order to find Jason, we had to make a huge challenge. We had to climb the mountains. We had to take this whatever it's called, Kennet Road, Kennet Transportation, and we are very excited to see finally our superstar, our celebrity Jason Jeans. It's not easy to find him, as you see. You have to go through so many kilometers of these mountains, forests, jungles. I saw some people were trying to walk with bicycle up, but it was so steep that they could not. So it's not so easy, but if you go to your dreams, any difficulty is fine. Oh my god, I feel so excited. I feel like behind me is a superstar. It's kind of a dream. My heartbeat is so high right now. Now we're gonna pass by the amazing Jason Jeans, the musician of all centuries, of all years in Barcelona. If you never heard his songs, you've never been here. Let's see how it's gonna be.
Let's rock and roll. So, come on, let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll.
Guys, we finally met Jason Jeans. Well, we met him when he was working at Castle Montjuïc in Barcelona. Didn't have really much time to talk to him at that moment because he was busy with his beautiful performance and songs. But we had another chance to catch him in the city in Barcelona the day after and talk to him about his career, how he managed to make the music, etc. The most interesting moments I discovered for myself, for example, is that he also has a band that's had a star trip and this band is about psychedelic rock. However, what we saw Jason G's brand on the street, the crazy songs he sang, it's some other style, and I was really curious how he combined those because they're very different. But he told me, well, no problems, if you're crazy then you're crazy in every way. Also he told me that it's actually very difficult to become a singer or street singer in Barcelona because you need to get a license from government. So basically, always if you want to just go with a guitar and sing on the street of Barcelona, you need to apply for a jury. Jury will be for 20 people discovering your music, inviting you for audition, and only if you pass it will give you a license to play on the street. It's very hard. Also there is a license to play in the metro. In metro to get license is a bit easier because in the street it's mostly like lottery. So actually it's quite difficult to become a street musician in Barcelona. Take it into account if you go for an artistic career in Spain.